Alright, we're just going to use the magic hammer to get this bit done right here. What? Do not disturb. Man, this thing is more hassle than it's worth. That's bullshit. Come here, magic hammer. Who are you guys?
Oh, we're buddies with Magic Hammer. He's too busy watching Off-Road, Jake and Nicole.
Well, does he watch my channel? No?
No.
Let's do one. Ready?
Well, that was pretty weird, but those guys were helpful. It was nice of the magic hammer to send them. Alright, so a couple of videos ago, I built this shade awning on the east side of the cabin, and now I want to build a similar one for the west side. And I said earlier that we're going to put some solar panels up there, and let's show you what we're going to do on the other side. So one of the things that wasn't very smart is I put this on before the shingles, and now I got to cut the shingles around them. Alright, so that's what I want to do. I want to build something like that over for this window, because this window catches a bunch of afternoon sun and it heats up the inside of the cabin, and I don't have air conditioning or any other way except for the whole house fan to cool the cabin down, but I want to really prevent the cabin from heating up in the first place. So let's get started on that. Alright, I'm running this jigsaw off my inverter, off my battery, off my solar panels. Same with the air compressor, it's all solar. But they're looking for grow operations. Federales messed up my camera angle. I had to stop to shoot that helicopter, and then I had to reset up the angle. First misfire I've ever had in this thing, and look how full I have it. That's probably why. Literally the first misfire. I've had this for I don't know how many years, almost 10 years. Alright, turns out my my nail gun wasn't misfiring. My air compressor overheated, so I think it's a good time to take a little break. I had the thing sitting out in the sun, and I'm pretty sure that's what happened. So I'm going to let it cool down a while and chill out here for a bit, and then get back to work in a little bit. Hopefully I can get it working again. Yeah, that was it. It was I was sitting in the sun. I'm going to keep it in the shade from now on. Man. Alright, well, I've once again failed to put out a video 2 weeks in a row. But here's 2 sneak peeks. That's poplar for the board and batten. And those are solar panels. 2 upcoming videos. Who knows when. And so the video I wanted to finish today was doing the shade awning on the other side, and to do that I really wanted to get this siding all the way up to above the window so that I could put that wood on top of the siding, because it's such a pain to do it, to trim it in afterwards. So I didn't get that done, and when it became evident that I wasn't anywhere close to finishing on time, I just started working on this side. Come on, camera. Yeah, I just did this bit over here without filming it. Magic hammers, friends helped me out down there, but unfortunately it's going to be at least another week until I can get that awning video done. But we're making good progress on the shingles. I've used another almost two bundles today. So starting to come together slowly.